Whew. Fish on, yo. Fish on, yo. Whew. Fish on, yo. Fish on. Second one. Fish on, yo. Fish on, yo. Dude, this fish bit on the reel in, dude. I was reeling in, and it bit on the reel in, yo. Super cool bite. I was just reeling in, and then boom, all of a sudden a fish on, yo. Super awesome. Super cool bite. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. Yo, heck yes, people, heck yes. Winter steelhead, yo. Winter steelhead, yo. First winter steelhead, dude. Even before. Heck yeah, dudes. Heck yeah, dudes. Heck yes. Look at this, dude. Hatchery, yo, peoples. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, winter steelhead, dude. Winter steelhead, dude. 2021, dude. Look at that chromer, dude. Yeah, dude. Lost one, got one, dude. Hatchery fish, bros. Yeah, dude. Paid off, dude. Super awesome, yo. Sweet. Look, I caught a 2022 winter steelhead already, dude. Super beautiful. Yeah, super beautiful. Look at that maxillary. Full on maxillary, dude. Winter steelhead, yo. Yes. Woohoo! Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. That after Thanksgiving season, that winter steelhead season started. Beautiful. Super awesome. Heck yeah, dude. Awesome. Awesomeness. Yeah, super cool.